guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're having some Ichiban ramen. I think I said that right. I don't know. But this is the package. Can I get in there and see? This is what we're having today. Y'all, I haven't had this in about 6 or 7 months. But another routine. Bit first. And I'm gonna depress, well, not depress. I'm going to decompress a little bit today, y'all. Today has been a very, very busy day. But first, let me tell you what we got here. So we got the Ichiban, the Sapporo brand Ichiban in the miso flavor. Make sure I remember correctly. And with a nice boiled egg. If you hear my husband, he's tripping over paper towels for some reason, y'all. Okay, so I think my head is cut off. Is my head cut off, y'all? Hold on. Okay, that's better. My head was cut off, y'all. Okay. So, you gonna say hi? He's gonna hide, I guess. Okay, so here's what we have. We have the miso flavored ramen, and we have a nice boiled egg on the side here. I want something really quick but kind of hearty, and yet I can still talk and they give good ASMR sounds. So ramen is always, y'all, and it's still so hot. Can y'all see that? And ramen is always the best choice. Can y'all even see the entire thing? I can't even see the entire thing. I think we're just gonna have to cut my head off a little bit. So, all right, y'all, let me stop talking. Let me eat first. I know y'all here for me to eat, not talk. So, let's do that. Okay. This is definitely more flavorful than I remember. I think my husband added some sesame oil. I think that's what he added, y'all. Today's drink, Olipop Tropical Punch. Y'all, gotta get y'all the sounds. Y'all, almost missed this whole cup, y'all. Almost missed it. Y'all, hear that fizz? Did I miss it, y'all? I didn't. I really did really good with that. Oh, why would I pour it and not drink it? Ooh. Oh, yeah. Remind me of pineapple juice, y'all. Excuse me. Y'all. It's so flavorful. I gotta push this egg around, y'all, because it's kind of been sitting in cold water. So, it's a very deep, smoky kind of flavor. Now, we got this ramen from H Mart, but you can find it at any kind of international. What's that? Any kind of international mart. I even want to say you can get this from Kroger in International Aisle. I want to say that, y'all. That was very good. Very, very good. Am I off center, y'all? I'll say this is a very much needed mukbang. And thank all of you all who watched my budget lunch mukbang. That was, look, I'm still thinking about that food. I can eat that again. Wouldn't this go with a nice, wouldn't this ramen go good with a nice, like, side sandwich? Like, wouldn't it? Y'all. Y'all. It's so good. Okay. My day. If you don't know, excuse me. So sorry. But y'all did see the title, right? Like I said every time. Ooh. So my day, right? I had meeting after report. To do. And I know I had to do this mukbang too, so a very congested day, but I'm happy to be in front of you all eating this delicious noodles. And yes, y'all, I'm gonna get to this egg. I know y'all standing like, where you gonna get the egg at? Where the egg gonna get eaten? You guys, I didn't offer. I'm rude. Please, please join me. Have some. Have some. Look at that, y'all. I'm rude. Can you tell I had a tough day? Y'all, can y'all tell? Okay, we're gonna get this egg, y'all. And I'm not gonna be rude this time. Y'all have the first bite of this egg. Oh, look. We're gonna let it sit in the sauce upside down. So good. I be scared to slurp noodles sometimes because I know it's gonna hit the wrong pipe. I'm not trying to down a mukbang, y'all. I'm really not. And based on how I had to set up this mukbang this time, y'all, it's gonna be a late upload, but it's gonna be the same day, okay? The same day. I used to watch. It's my favorite mukbangers, like Too Young. Like she could demolish like a bowl, like a tray. It's about this big. I can't see my arms, but about this big, y'all. She could do that. Oh, she's one of my favorite mukbangers. Too Young. And oh, she's so good. She's so good. She can put away some food and it goes nowhere. It goes nowhere. Ooh, ooh. Y'all, getting a little messy. Let's see. Got this egg. Set it off. Set it off. Excuse me, y'all. You know a burp is coming, right? Yeah, it's coming. That Olipop tropical punch flavored drink reminds me of Malibu, y'all. The drink, the liquor, Malibu. It reminds me. Y'all, how is it almost over? How are we almost done with our food? So y'all can see all my food, y'all. What I have left. Y'all. Okay, I think I'm gonna be the person and cut that in half. And I'm gonna get some noodles and egg, y'all. Ooh. Little combo. You want a bite? Okay. Y'all take that. Y'all. That's the way that tasted makes me want to savor when I have like ramen like this. Yo, a little brothy broth at the bottom. Come on. It tastes so deep. I'm definitely a deep flavor profile person. Definitely that. I also like sweet and salty too, but I think it's more like deep and sweet. And then maybe sweet and sour and then salty. When it comes to flavor profile of things I like to eat. So that goes from like meals like, you know, ramen or ramen. Or like home cooked meals like, I don't want to gross y'all out, but I love liver and onions. Oh, but I hate cooking it. So I don't know if it'll be on the channel or not. Maybe if one day if my mom wanna fix me some, but again, actually, she fixed me some a couple months ago. But anyway, that, and then, you know, like the dessert, like cupcakes, like that. And then, y'all, excuse me, told y'all I was coming. So sorry, excuse me. We are obsessed with Gelati Celesti. It's a handmade gelati ice cream shop. Y'all, obsessed. Okay. I'm gonna try and get the straggles, y'all. I'm gonna try. Last bite of egg, y'all. Can I scrape? Y'all see me scraping? Y'all. That's how good this broth is. I would put it over some rice. So deep. Ooh. Y'all. I am a master, okay, of chopsticks. Maybe. I like to think so. Y'all, that's it, y'all. I'm scraping a bowl. Because I ain't gonna leave nothing if I can help it. And I made sure not to overstack my plate. So y'all know I won't be able to finish my food in front of you guys and just share my enjoyment of the food and not overeat. So, y'all, we done. That fast. Oh. Yes. That's denial, y'all. When you know it's good, but you gotta deny it because you know it's good, but it's good. Okay, y'all. We made it to the end of the video. That's it. No more food. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with a friend. Okay? Thank you guys so much. We out, right? Bye.